Now in this example, see, three terms are given equal, means we have to prove these three terms are equal. That means it is sufficient to prove 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a is equal to tan square a, and 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a bracket square is equal to tan square a. So we will consider this as first part and this as second part. So consider LHS of first part, that is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. And we know these are the identities, that is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Now substitute the values, basic values of sec a and cosec a. So sec square a is 1 upon cos square a, and upon, whole upon, cosec square means 1 upon sin square a. Now simplify this. So 1 upon cos square a into, write this as sin square a upon 1. And now we know sin square a upon cos square a is equal to tan square a. So our first part is proved. Okay. Now we have to prove the second part. So write this as 1 and then consider the second part, LHS of second part. That is 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a bracket square. Is 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a bracket square is equal to, in bracket, 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus, I am substituting 1 upon tan a for cot a, and then whole square. Now I am separating 1 minus tan a bracket square. Using laws of indices, I am separating the square, and here in the denominator 1 minus 1 upon tan a bracket square. Now here denominator of 1 is 1, and now use cross multiplication. So 1 minus tan a bracket square upon tan a minus 1 upon tan a bracket square. So here 1 minus tan a bracket square, and I am using reciprocal multiplication, that is tan square a upon tan a minus 1 bracket square. Now see here 1 minus tan a bracket square into tan square a upon, I am taking minus sign common in this bracket, so minus into bracket minus tan a plus 1 and whole square. While when we take minus sign common, we need to change the signs inside the bracket. So now this is 1 minus tan a bracket square into tan square a, and now see, minus square is plus. Okay, so I can remove this, and just I am rearranging this as 1 minus tan a whole square. ये बात समझ में आई? ये माइनस साइन है, माइनस का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो प्लस हो जाएगा. सो रिमूव, आई हैव रिमूव दैट एंड रीअरेंज दिस टू एज 1 माइनस tan a bracket square, and now I can cancel this. Now I can cancel this bracket, these two brackets, and then it is equal to tan square a. Tan square a. This is the second part. Okay, so from 1 and 2, we can say that the identity is proved. That is 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A, and hence the identity is proved.